How to convert a regular zipper to a reversible zipper. Would you like to know this? If you said yes, even if you didn't say yes, I'll take that as a yes. So let's go see it. Okay, in my previous video, I adjusted the length of the zipper. I just didn't chop this off. So both of them are done. Um, so now I had placed the stopper here, and this is where the the puller was. So it was because I actually put this one already. This is the double reversible zipper puller, so you don't really need to have reversible zippers. If you buy these guys, you convert it into reversible zipper. So that's what I'm doing right now for my samples, because I ordered my samples like a month plus ago, and I got a call today. I need to find out if I got them or not, but let's say I didn't get them, I can still make it work. So I bought some reversible zipper pullers. If you notice, these are the regular pullers and they don't turn around. These guys go around. See, I'm gonna turn it over so it goes like this and like that. But in this case, I want to use this color instead of black. So let's just put those away. I bought them almost at the same price as the zippers. The good thing about the zippers is that you don't have to spend for zippers and for pullers. So in my case, I got these guys because I just wanted to kind of get it out of my way, in a way, like, because I wanted the sample to be functional. So I did it this way. So that's basically how you do it. I removed the regular puller, which is this one, the zipper puller, and then now what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna put it back. Where is the stopper? The stopper is a little metal, so it's very easy to kind of lose it. So here we go. So then I put it back, and voila, I converted this regular zipper into a reversible zipper. So I just go back like any other jacket zipper, and it works now. I'm just gonna use it on the other side. It works. Now if I wanna put it back where it was, so I just kind of flip it over, and here you go. We have a reversible zipper, guys. See, I converted a regular zipper. This is the puller I just took off, and I had to adjust the size, and now it's a reversible zipper. Amazing. This is great for some tweaks that you might want to do. I hope you're learning new stuff with me. This is amazing because you can get out of a tight situation when you need a reversible zipper. So before you take off, take a look at the rest of my videos. I know you're going to benefit a lot from them if you are in the fashion industry. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great and blessed day, and keep sewing, and let's dress the world. So before I take off, I wanted to mention to you guys that I'm able to convert the regular zippers to a reversible zipper. So basically what I had to do is just to buy the pullers. The pullers are the ones that kind of convert the zippers to reversible, because you can close it from either side, inside or outside. In this case, I'm working on a vest that it's going to be reversible, and so that's how I did it. And I'm using a number 5 regular zipper, jacket zipper. Of course, you can't use that on any other zipper but the jacket zippers. So that's what I wanted to kind of mention. So I'm using number 5, and the zipper pullers I got for reversible are also number 5. The difference between the ones that you normally buy already made or manufactured for reversible, they're slightly smoother, and this one are a little bit rougher, but they still work for just an emergency or so. They work well.